Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Android Studio and go to SDK Manager. If it prompts missing SDK, note the suggested location. Next, on your OS, set environment variables. Android Home and Android SDK root should point to the SDK root. On Windows, use System Properties. On Mac OS or Linux, export in Shell Profile. Once done, restart Android Studio so it picks up the new variables and available SDK packages. You now handle the complex middle steps to ensure Android Studio recognizes the SDK. In Settings, change Android SDK location to the folder you verified earlier, then install Platform Tools and the matching API level. Make sure local properties in your project contains SDK. Dir with the exact path using forward slashes on Mac OS/Linux. After adjusting, run build clean project, then build rebuild project so Gradle resolves SDK components. If Gradle still fails, open the Gradle console to read precise errors. Finish by making changes persistent and testing the result. Restart Android Studio and then use file invalidate caches/restart to clear stale references. Verify your path includes the Platform Tools folder so a DB works in terminal. Open a sample project and run Gradle sync. Once successful, run an emulator or device. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip. Check the Gradle console for exact messages and then reinstall the Android SDK tools or re-download missing packages using SDK Manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.